Okay guys, so yep, I hope you hopefully that helps, and yeah, let me know if you've had the same problem. It's a learning process, that's for sure. Definitely a learning process, guys. But yeah, so get the USB. If you accidentally wipe your Windows, get a USB, get on another computer, go to that Microsoft Media Creation tool, uh, this page, select the one you like, or that's yours, and download it. Then send it into your, send it to your USB. Then put that USB into your wiped computer. It'll install it. And the two main problems that you'll come across is when it'll get to no drivers found. Okay. Um, so there you go.